So Italy at this time is comprised of city-states. It's a sprawling mass of competing urban metropolitan areas. And one of the most significant of those is the city of Florence. It's going to play an outsized role when we talk about the Renaissance, when we talk about achievement, artistic creativity, economic activity, and so forth. Florence is really one of the most important spots. And one of the things that makes Florence Florence is that you have the Arno River, which stretches for about 150 miles and then empties into the Ligurian Sea in the northwest part of Italy, which is near France. So this is kind of a mixed blessing for Florence. On the one hand, it gives them an abundance of water. On the other hand, it gives them an abundance of water, which means that the city has often flooded over the years, which poses its own problems. But more often than not, the water has been a blessing. It's enabled them to wash and dye cloth. So water is what you need for that. And so Florence has become, at that point, a major manufacturer of clothing and has remained for centuries. I mean, Florence has often been kind of a fashion center, a fashion hub, even into the present day. Now, another reason that Florence is so significant is that it's essentially the birthplace of modern banking. So banking happens in Florence. In fact, it is such a crucial place for high finance at that time that the florin, which for a while was the most trusted currency in all of Europe, comes from Florence. So in Florence, you have just a tremendous amount of economic activity, a lot of growth, a lot of wealth, and that is very significant when you're talking about the development and the growth of the arts themselves.